Now, what is Lakehouse architecture? Imagine a city where raw goods arrive at a warehouse and polished products are displayed in a showroom, both under the one roof. If you look here, the warehouse is here and the showroom is here under the one roof, which is this kind of thing. Lake house architectures achieves this by combining the flexibility of data lakes with the reliability of data warehouses. It stores raw, semi structured, and structured data together while enabling governance, asset transactions, and high performance analytics. This makes the lake house a unified foundation supporting both big data processing and business intelligence seamlessly. Let's meet in our next lecture.